Hello everyone. Let's learn some colors. Alphabets, numbers and shapes. Yellow color, purple color, brown color, black color, sky blue color, green color, dark green color, light pink color, dark pink color, orange color, blue color, red color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Star. This is star. Heart. Pentagon. Hexagon. Right angle triangle. Cross. Blue color. A for apple. A for apple. Blue color. B for banana. B for banana. Red color. C for cake. C for cake. Green color. Brown color. D for dog. D for dog. E for egg. E for egg. Purple color. F for flask. F for flask. Dark pink color. One. Two. Three. 4 5 6 Green color. Star. Red color. Heart. Purple color. Pentagon. Hexagon. Orange color. Light pink color. Right angle triangle. Dark green color. Cross. Dark green color. A B C D E F. A for apple. B for banana. C for cake. D for dog. E for egg. F for flask. A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Star, heart, pentagon, hexagon, right angle triangle, cross. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.